Hello guys, welcome back to Smart Tech Junction. In this video tutorial guys, I am going to show you, are you recording your screen on Windows 11 but the audio sound is buzzing, or if you are listening strange sound like this. So same problem I also facing. If you are also facing the same problem, so this video is only for you. Watch this video till end very carefully, don't miss any option, any method. This usually happen because of wrong audio device selected, sample rate mismatch, corrupted audio driver, audio enhancement conflict, and mic boost distortion. Okay, don't worry, we will fix all of them one by one. Let's get started. First, right click on your sound icon in the taskbar and open the sound settings. Under output, select the correct speaker. Okay, and under the input, make sure the correct microphone is selected here. Okay, wrong device selection causes distortion immediately. That's why you need to correct this. Second thing is this guys, if you are using any sound recorder, video recorder on your PC, you need to select the correct microphone on your sound recorder. So open your recorder setting and you need to select your right microphone. Another fix is this guys, go to your sound settings once again, open the more sound setting and go to recording device, select your microphone, go to properties and go to level. From here you need to adjust your microphone level. And one more thing is this guys, go to your playback device, open your speaker, go to advanced tab. From here you need to select the default format. Once again go to a recording tab, select your microphone, go to advanced tab. From here you need to interchange your channel, or you can simply restore to default setting. Okay, important note guys, your both mic and speaker must use the same sample rate. That's why you need to check this. Mismatch causes the buzzing and rare sound noise while recording. Now you need to disable the audio enhancement. Once again you need to open your speaker properties. If the enhancement tab is showing here, disable all enhancement and then click on apply and then click on OK. In my case, there is no enhancement tab showing in my PC. In your PC, the option is showing you need to disable all enhancement. Okay, and you can update and reinstall your audio driver. Right click on your start button and from here you need to open the device manager. In the device manager, you need to extend sound, video and gain controller option. Right click on your audio device and here you can get the option update driver. You need to update your driver. If the problem continues, right click on it and then you need to uninstall that particular device. After uninstalling, you need to restart your PC. Windows will reinstall the driver automatically after restarting. You need to remember this thing guys, before recording, again open voice recorder on your PC, press Windows key button and search voice recorder here and record 10-second voice. If it sound clean, screen recorder setting were wrong. If still sound is not working properly, again on your voice recorder, this is a driver issue. You need to install the right driver on your PC. To install this guys, first you need to update your PC. Go to Windows settings, go to Windows update, click on check for update. If the update is available, simply go ahead update your PC. After updating, go to advanced option, go to optional updates and here you can get the option driver update. If the pending driver is there, you need to select and download and install all pending driver. So after trying this all method, still the problem is same, you need to check your microphone. If there is loose connection, or if you are using wireless microphone, you need to charge your microphone properly, or if you are having shells something, you need to replace your shells. After doing this guys, it will definitely fix this problem. This fixes the problem in 90% of cases. If this video help you to fix the microphone recording issue on Windows, like the video and subscribe to Smart Tech Junction for more real world tech fixes. Catch you in the next one.